Hi, my old friend. Good evening to all of you again. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy and doing good trading also. And thanking you for watching my previous video and this video too. And if you benefited from my analysis, please do like, share, and subscribe my video. Those who are new, and press the bell icon to get the next video notification instantly. And it will going to be helpful. I give the previous video link in description box, previous week's analysis. And if you want to correlate that analysis and this analysis, you can do so, and you can get the proof of my analysis too also. And this for educational purpose based on pure technical analysis. And if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, you can feel free to join my technical analysis course also. And this is the Nifty weekly analysis for educational purpose based on technical analysis, date 15/5/21. Support levels is 14,630 to 14,580 levels. Then 14,490 levels, and then 13,970 levels is the support levels. This support levels is the good support levels for this at this moment for the Nifty weekly. And the resistance is 14,800, then 15,000, and then 15,300 levels. Support 14,630 to 14,580, 14,490, and then 13,970 levels. Resistance 14,800, 15,000, and 15,300. Expected trade between 15,000 to 14,500 levels next week. Let's go to chart. This is the Nifty weekly analysis. You all see. And in between trade in the Nifty trade in between this Nifty spot weekly daily chart, and is trading at this moment in a flag zone. And previous week is trade in between 15,000 to 14,500 levels, and expected this week also trade in that levels. At this moment, 14,630 to 14,580 levels is the next support zone. Then 14,490 levels to 14,500 levels is the 14,490 levels to 14,500 levels is the next support zone, and then 13,970 levels is the third support zone for this Nifty 50. And resistance at this moment 14,800 levels, then 15,000 levels, and then 15,300 levels. But 15,300 levels is very unlikely to for the next week. 15,000 to 14,500 levels is expected to trade in between that levels, Nifty 50. Or you can say 15,000 for 15,000 to 14,000 for 14,300 levels, maybe trade in between that levels. This is the MACD daily. You will see the rising above zero levels, but the MACD line is turn around, and if not, if it cross that MACD line, then it can be bearish. But this at this moment we have to cautious where to trade, and there is a sideways movement is being showing, and weekly is the MACD is in a downtrend. So downtrend is continuous. The gap in between is now narrowing. So we have to wait for the another week where to weekly analysis or to try to turn around or not. And MACD daily, we have to see this from these levels. It's go above that levels or is cross that levels. So for that reason, we have to wait at this moment. Some bearishness in this Nifty 50 we can see, and that is why I telling to all of you that 15,000 to 14,500 levels is the very crucial to trade in between that levels, and expected to trade in between that levels, or 14,800 to 14,300 levels is the next trading zone for this Nifty 50. I don't think any very big bearishness or very big bullishness may come for the next week also. This is the daily. Daily chart of with RSI, you all see, is try to now take support at 50 zone with a hammer pattern. So if this hammer pattern is taking the support, that will be good. Even also 50 RSI takes support at this moment, and RSI also 60 below 60 in weekly. That is means that still bearish zone, some bearishness is there below 60 and it's a downtrend. So we have to look forward the how Nifty trade in between that levels, and in my view 14,800 to 14,500 or 14,300 levels may trade, or 15,000 to 14,500 may trade in between that levels in next week or next week. That is my view based on technical analysis. Other parameter I am not showing. That is also a very good also, but this is my view with a raw data analysis to all of you, and hopefully you are benefited from my analysis. And if you want to join my technical analysis course, you can feel free to join my technical analysis course also. And if you benefit from my analysis from my YouTube channel, you can like, share with your friends, and subscribe my video and subscribe my channel to get the next video notification, and can also join my technical analysis course to learn the technical analysis course also, and it will be also benefited to all of you. And if you want to trade on my video, please don't first consult with your financial advisor before taking any position, or you can analyze the chart within yourself. If any help you require, please write down in my comment box. I will help you. And thanking you to all of you again for watching my this video, and the previous videos also. Thanking you to all of you again.